Most people consider bananas agricultural waste, but inside this facility they're treated like gold. Today they'll step inside a high-tech factory where each banana is measured, sealed and traceable as a safe product. This isn't simply chopping, you'll be orchestrating a fierce race against temperature and pressure to extract the fiber without damaging it. We'll learn about the single quality control point that determines cleanliness and why a small moisture error can ruin an entire shipment. But pay close attention to the sealing stage. This is the most dangerous part of the process. If this step fails, the entire shipment instantly becomes worthless. Let's go inside. A banana stem isn't waste, it's a race against rot. Delay one hot afternoon and the core starts fermenting, quietly, ruthlessly. We cut clean, avoid bruises and log every lot, because one hidden crush today becomes broken fiber tomorrow.
Check the diameter here.
Looks good. I will trim the edges.
One uneven bundle can jam an entire factory. We strap tight, block rolling, keep thickness consistent like sealing a vault. Then we tag the lot, farm, time, variety, handler. Later we don't guess, we trace. The road is where quality can die. Sun heats the core, moisture triggers fermentation, pressure snaps fibers inside. We stack in layers, cover fast, log timings, because here, time equals grade. The gate doesn't trust promises, it trusts proof. Code match, weight recorded, visual check for wet patches, mold dust, flies, signs of internal rot. One bad lot can poison the whole wash line.
Step 41 complete. Length standardized to specification P7. Ready for cutting.
Storage isn't waiting, it's containment. FIFO keeps old lots from turning sour and spreading it. Too wet goes first, too dirty gets a tougher wash. We cut off the worst base before it costs us later. This isn't washing, it's protection. Sand becomes a grinder, sap becomes glue. Sprays, rollers, scrapers strip the stem clean until the surface loses that slimy bite and the next machines can breathe.
Length gauge is set. Moving the stems through for consistent standardization.
One wrong cut feeds the line with failure. We remove the woody base, the weak tip, then split into layers, outer trash, middle premium, soft core to a sideline. This step decides straight fiber or chaos. steel drums, sharp blades, zero mercy, speed off, fibers tear, sap heavy, blades gum up. A thin water mist cools the bite. The output must exit as a clean ribbon, not a tangled wound.
Middle sheath selected. Confirmed. Diverting lower grade now.
Look at the sheen on this mid-layer strip.
High grade. Discard the rest.
Sap isn't dirt, it's a bone that must break. If it still feels slippery, grade A is gone. We soak, stir, drain, press, counter, rinse. Not clean? Back again, no shortcuts.
Confirmed. Step 54 complete. Perfect grip. A small pH drift can ruin smell and color. We neutralize to target, strip fermentation odor, stabilize brightness, check against a standard. After this, mistakes get expensive.
Continuity clear. Returning to flow.
machines you see clean and safe? Yes, comment 4. No, comment 5.
Okay, flip it now. Ensure even exposure on that side.
Too wet means mold. Too much pressure means snapped fiber. We spread, shake, press in stages, keep strands intact, collect runoff for treatment. Light, loose fiber moves forward, ready to dry right.
Approved.
That is appreciated applicant. It is many great. You sure do.
Plus.
Drying is a tightrope. Too hot, yellow, brittle. Too slow, damp, doomed. We stabilize the chamber, feed even layers, monitor zones, sample moisture mid-shift, then cool dry, so fiber doesn't drink humidity back.
Locked in. Perfect grip.
Spot check complete. Moisture levels are stable.
Proceed with the dry cycle.
Control, this is Zone 4. Inspection complete. Fibers are clear.
Carding is discipline. One knot can choke the machine. We open fibers, align them, clean deeper, draft to uniform thickness, blend slivers for consistency until the roll comes out smooth and obedient. No almost. We test strength, uniformity, cleanliness, odor, then grade A, B, C with trace labels. That stamp isn't marketing, it's accountability. Finish strong or lose everything. Moisture in mold, dust in contamination, loose wrap damage. We compress to spec, wrap, palletize, label, ship, verify at delivery. You're not shipping fiber, you're shipping precision. In the end, this isn't a story about banana stems. It's a story about control. Over time, moisture, pressure, and tiny mistakes that don't look dangerous until they multiply. Every strap, every rinse, every pH check is a decision to prevent chaos before it becomes visible. The lesson is simple and brutal. Quality is never added at the end. It's protected from the first cut. Respect the early steps, and the fiber rewards you with strength and consistency. Ignore them, and the process will expose you quietly but completely.
Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel. And what production process would you like to see next?